Today we're going to quickly show you how to activate automatic date and time settings on your Infinix Note 35G. This is a great way to ensure your phone always displays the correct time, no matter where you travel in the world. Let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your Infinix. Next, tap on System. From there, find Date and Time and give it a tap. Now, look for the option that says Auto Set Time and tap on that. You'll be given a choice to either use network-provided time or use GPS-provided time. Choose the option that works best for you. Finally, to make sure your phone automatically updates the time zone, find the Set Time Zone Automatically switch and turn it on. That's all there is to it. With these settings enabled, your Infinix Note 35G will always show you the correct date and time, keeping you on track wherever you go. Automatic date and time settings are a convenient way to avoid any confusion about the time, especially when traveling across different time zones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more smartphone tutorials.